Give the bluesy bill. Good girl.
10 out of 10, no notes. This kitten is absolutely glued to its banana. Ten out of 10, no notes. These cats have mastered.
No. No.
No way this actually happened, that grass melted and completely swallowed. How did nobody stop this? He is completely hypnotized by that.
Until
The determination followed immediately by disaster.
Hey there, little one.
Iconic.
I've got you.
This man is pouring his whole soul into saving this thirsty little orange cloud. But orange cats only have one shared brain cell, and it just stopped working.
He felt strong again,
Ini parah nih. Tenang. Ini parah nih.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. This orange menace is bringing home a literal cobra as a souvenir. Ultimate gift, or total.
This is the most committed thing I have ever seen. This cat literally rusted in.
Three seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. This orange cat completely lost its head in the couch cushions. Is it searching for Narnia or just its last brain cell? Either way, maximum effort, zero thoughts.
Out his toys, right? Look at. Oh my god! I hope he finds it. He's in deep. I don't understand. I was trying to find it for him. You think it's in there? I think it's in there.
A moça que faz pose para foto gosta de uma vida boa. Requintada, bem servida, sensual.
You know what? I don't think you even respect the scariness of me, because I am so scared.
This has been living in my camera roll for weeks. These kittens are actually hypnotized by a picture of seafood. Look at the gray one trying to bite a printed lobster. He really thought he found a 4K buffet. Pure.
3 seconds in and I already knew this would end badly. Total security breach at the pet shop. These tiny escape artists completely broke out of jail. That little fluffy one looks like a runaway potato tumbling for freedom.
Te compré las flores más bonitas en el antro. Traigo una 40 por si te...
Okay, I need everyone to see what just happened here. This golden genius is using a literal fan to dry his tongue after licking a toy. Absolute peak laziness.
Bên nào mà chịu nổi với con?
You will share this. I know you will.
Ah,
This orange mastermind is deeply offended by a bottle of soda. He is calculating the exact physics required to ruin your carpet. He is winding up the paw.
leave it alone.
Boom.
Rory,
Gravity works, folks.
put it back. Put it back. No. Rory. Goober.
The chaos starts immediately and does not stop. This absolute gremlin is eating dirt in a literal prison. How long was the planning phase for this? 0 seconds. This cat is totally passed out.
देश की रक्षा के लिए